Is Cedreo really worth your money in 2026, or is it just another overhyped design app? I've spent the last month testing every nook and cranny of Cedreo, so let's get straight to the good stuff. First off, yep, Cedreo is legit. It's not some fly-by-night scam. You'll find it listed on all the big review sites like G2 and Software Advice, with a solid 4.6 out of 5 stars. And the support team? I got real responses from actual humans. Plus, there are constant updates, so it's not abandoned software. Now, if you're new to home design or just want to try it out, Cedreo offers a free version. You can play around with one project before shelling out cash. But the paid plans are where it really shines. The Pro plan is about $59 a month if you pay monthly, or a bit less if you go annual. Big design teams? There's an enterprise plan, though you'll need to talk to sales for the price. Let's talk pros. Speed is the name of the game. I made a full house plan in under 2 hours. No CAD experience needed. The drag-and-drop interface is super intuitive, and the 3D renderings? Honestly, they're jaw-dropping. Imagine showing your client a photorealistic walkthrough on your laptop. Yeah, it's that good. Plus, it's all cloud-based, so you can work from anywhere. No downloads required. But Cedreo isn't perfect. The subscription is a bit pricey for solo designers or hobbyists, and if you need deep customization, like curved walls or fancy American-style moldings, you'll hit some limits. Also, it's not made for final construction docs. Think of it as a tool for pitching, not engineering. My advice? Try the free version first. If you're a pro who needs speed and wow factor for client presentations, Cedreo is absolutely worth a shot.